Hello, and welcome to day 4, Thursday, December 3rd. This is our last day in Module 11. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll go to Async. As always, every Thursday, you have a few assignments to do for Async. The first one is an inference discussion. So you're going to look at 3 conversations and make inferences. After each conversation, you have 3 questions to answer. So you will answer these questions in the comment box. You will put conversation 1, answer the 3 questions. Next, conversation 2, answer the 3 questions. You put all your answers inside this box. Okay. Next activity is in your book, page 66 and 67, parts numbers 2, part A, B, and C. Take a picture and upload in the comment section. Please, my friends, make sure you take the picture of the work. I always see the book and I can't see the work. So please make sure you take a picture of the work. All right. The next activity is a spark. You're going to read enthusiasm and attitude and be sure to get 75% the first time. You guys are all making some progress, so please be sure to check your Lexile level. The month has changed, so you have a new level. And the last activity is your deliverable. You're going to watch this video about an octopus and coconuts. You will read this article, and then you're going to type a paragraph, putting them in steps. Okay? So what does the octopus do in the different steps? All right. And that's it for async. We will go to sync. It is Thursday. So we will have our large group together and we're going to continue to work on our essay, POV, and reading some evidence with personal anecdote. And that's it. Good luck.